players that are truly made by her. Alina is a patient of RSAB Harapan Kita and RSK Darmais with diagnosis of immature teratoma and still undergoing treatment with our neurologist in RSAB Harapan Kita. Today, Alina has joined us and will present the souvenirs herself.
We sincerely wish His Excellency Budi Gunadi Sadikin as the Minister of Health of the Republic of Indonesia and Madam Chu Chen-Yi as the President of AIIB to receive our token of gratitude. Thank you, Alina.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are deeply honored to have with us today the President of AIIB, Madam Chu Chai, and the Minister of Health of the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Budi Gunadi Sadikin, who will present a special research here as a gesture of care and solidarity for the pediatric patients of RSAB Harapan Kita.